Hey there, it's AmCan Tech, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove a green screen in Premiere Pro. You do not need any third-party add-ons, and you don't even need a graphics card.
The first step of our ticking clock model is establish a digital vision, or a vision for the digital era. That is about embracing all of the technologies that are available for your organization at the moment.
Okay, so let's show you the original footage. I'm going to move the video up a level so I could add content later. You see, they did a pretty good job with the green screen. Besides the huge crack here, the effect that I will show you will get rid of it. You could also see a shadow here. You'll need to adjust some settings, which I'll also show you an effect to deal with that. So you just search key and then you drag in the ultra key effect. Here you go to key color. It's important to select the green. If it's green throughout the clip, you could also use the timer and keyframe it. As you see, there's still a little shadow there, and I'm going to show you using File, New, Color Map. And I'm just going to pick a red, for example. It names it, and then you just drag the color map on. And that shows you if there are any issues with it. So how to deal with them, you go to a setting, and I just put it as aggressive, and it dealt with it. You could also go to custom, and then you could change other things depending on how you want. But aggressive deals with it pretty well. And then you could also lay out different colors. I have another video on how to change the color map, to key it and change the colors throughout the video, but you could just double click on it and change the color there. And it looks fine for the most part, and it's enough for this video. You just need to go ahead and click enter, and then it renders the clip, and then file, export media, and then to save it. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.